Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Learned, Lightroom Classic CC lets you filter photos within the grid view and Filmstrip. Unlike sorting features, which simply rearrange photos based on criteria, filtering photos lets you remove photos you don't want to work with from view. Filtering doesn't remove photos from your Lightroom catalogs, folders, or collections. When you apply a filter to the grid view, the filter is also applied to the film strip and vice versa. You can apply filters using several different methods in Lightroom Classic CC. You can use the Library filter bar above the grid in the Library module to set filters. If you don't see the Library filter bar at the top of the Library module, press the # key on your keyboard to display it. The Library filter bar separates filters into three categories: text, attribute, and metadata. When you click a category, the Library filter bar expands and shows your filtering options. You can then select an option to apply that filter. You can select the None choice in the Library filter bar to remove applied filters. As you learned in the previous lesson, the control bar in the Filmstrip panel works in a similar way. By clicking the filter icons that appear in the Filmstrip panel, you can filter photos by flags, edits, ratings, and color labels. If you don't see the filter icons in the control bar, click the word filter in the control bar to expand the options and show the icons. The filter drop-down menu here lets you create and save custom settings for filters, and the Turn Off Filters button to the right lets you quickly toggle back and forth between viewing filtered photos and viewing the catalog without the filters applied. You can also set filters using the menu bar. If you do not have filters enabled via the Library filter bar or Filmstrip control bar, then choose File, Library Filters, Enable Filters from the menu bar. Doing this turns them on first. At that point, you can then choose File, Library Filters from the menu bar, and then select the filtering criteria from the menu choices that appear. For example, if you select File, Library Filters, Filter by Flag from the menu bar, you can see several different flag filtering options from which you can then select. To reset filters by category, you can also choose the Reset This Filter command within its menu bar filtering category to reset its filtering values. The menu bar is a good way to learn about the filters and their settings in Lightroom Classic CC.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.